Looking for an easy way to earn passive income just by using your internet? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with the uprock app, step by step. Whether you're on Android, iOS, or PC, you can start earning right away. What is uprock? First things first, what exactly is uprock? It's an app that rewards you in tokens called UPT just for sharing your unused internet bandwidth or completing small tasks. Basically, you let the app run in the background, and you earn while your device is online. How to get started? 1. Download the uprock app from their website or app store. 2. Create an account and verify your email. 3. Keep the app running. The longer you're online, the more tokens you earn. Ways to earn more. Passive earning. Leave the app running on your device. Offers and surveys. Complete extra tasks for bonus tokens. Referrals. Invite friends and get extra rewards. Multiple devices. Use your phone plus PC to maximize earnings. Important notes. Make sure you're connected to your home Wi-Fi, not VPNs or emulators, because those can reduce your earnings or even get you blocked. And remember, right now UPT tokens are still growing, so the more you collect early, the better it could pay off in the future. Closing, call to action. So that's how you can start earning with the uprock app. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a smart way to earn a little passive income with your internet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more earning apps and side hustles, and drop your questions in the comments below.
5. Marketing and growth. Etsy SEO. Continuously refine your titles, tags, and descriptions to improve your visibility in Etsy search results. Promote. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok to showcase your products and drive traffic to your Etsy shop. Analyze and adapt. Monitor your shop's performance, see what sells well, and create more products in those successful categories. Pay attention to customer reviews and feedback to improve your offerings.